Today is the moment of truth. The first time that the LJ is moving under its own power. Or the first time it's moved at all in the past several months, actually. And it doesn't have an exhaust currently, so it's gonna be pretty noisy. I wonder what it's gonna look like. Kind of hard to tell inside the shop what a vehicle looks like until you really roll it out and get to see it in the environment. Oh boy. Let's see if it'll stop. Oh, it could be the transfer. Oh, there we go. The transfer case is probably in neutral. Hey, he could stop. Yeah, just make sure it will stop. Wow, that thing looks incredible. Wow. Yeah, I was thinking of turning it around and parking it, putting it this way because it's right in my eye. Can you turn it around maybe? Steering is working great. We're gonna get the ball joints all replaced once we get it to the brake plates. Right now he's got it in low range. Wow, that thing looks amazing. Oh, here he comes. See if we can get him lined up on the tractor here.
Can you leave the exhaust like this?
Yeah, it sounds pretty good. Come ahead. You coming? That's good. Keep coming a little bit. That's it. Perfect.
There are no brakes really, so
It's only in gear.
we can't
Do
leave we can't let it roll off.
Have it in low range. I can get a chalk and put behind this tire. You think that
it'll work.
that would be a good idea?
Yeah, it would be. I'll get it.
I can go get it real quick. Let's go grab this.
4x4 is right there by the jack.
Yeah, let's grab this big one here. Yeah, here's a couple. This'll work. Let's get both of these. Chalk the back tires. It looks so nice, Dad. Wow. We'll put the chocks under this back tire since it's gonna have all the pressure on it. There we go.
With the bigger tires, it's just perfect. The back axle's a little far back, which is what I wanted.
Yeah, it looks really
Front
great.
axle seems to be a hair forward almost.
It looks long,
It looks perfect.
which is really, really
That
cool.
length with the bigger axles and tires, it just looks perfect. Wow.
That's just amazing. Let's disconnect the sway bars
Oh yeah.
real quick. Pop these loose.
No.
Yep. Just let it hang down. We'll need to get a way to tie those up eventually.
You'll put that one in there, I'll put this one in there.
Oh, good idea. Good idea. Ready?
Okay.
Nice. Oh, it's like that was made for it.
Yeah. We'll just tie it right there. We'll four-wheel.
Okay, I guess I'll just watch and tell you if when it looks like it's, yeah, when we've gone far enough. Then we'll need to measure because I need to compare it to that old video of the XJ, how high it went off the ground.
True.
We measured to the tire. I guess to the bottom of the rubber.
Sure keep the angles right to where it don't damage anything.
Right. Yeah, the drive shaft, we'll watch that too. Okay. Good. That's looking perfect.
Good on the tire?
Yep, let me look at it. Yep, it's great. That's perfect. Where you want to be. Just sit, go slow. If that's possible. Hey, tilt down your forks.
What?
Tilt your forks down. There you go. Down farther.
Up.
Forks down farther. That's better. Now you can go up. Okay, tilt your forks. Whoop! Tilt your forks down a bit. Way down. Okay, now you can come up. There you go. Now come up. I'm watching the back tire. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Good gosh. Okay. That's good. It's still not coming off the ground, but I'm not comfortable going really much higher with it like this. Good grief. That's insane. Look at that. It's like unbelievable. We need to measure. Oh my goodness. That's incredible. It looks like it's clearing everything.
Yeah, this is barely touching. That's
And
good.
look, that shock is about to top out.
And the coil is just right.
Coil's good.
Yes, we need a bump stop in there.
This brake line is perfect length. Thank goodness. Okay.
Oh, man, I'm hitting the axle a little bit.
Yeah, we can touch it up. I see that fork. Look at that drive shaft. Drive shaft has plenty of clearance.
That's 37 inches.
37. I think
Higher
it.
than the Champion.
I think it has a couple more inches in it. I just was starting to get nervous that back tire. That's unbelievable. Unbelievable.
Yeah, look at this.
Look at that. Look up in there.
The shock is bottomed out right there.
That's perfect. That's perfect. Let me look. Wow. Unbelievable. That's unbelievable. Boy, that tire fits perfect. It fits perfect in the fender.
Look over here.
Good grief. It's like that tire disappeared. It fell off the Jeep.
See the piece here?
Wow.
Right.
That's perfect. It all looks great. The drive shaft still has space in the U-joints.
Now let's look at the drive shaft with the tip.
I looked at it. It's perfect. Has more room actually. This is unbelievable. Well, we're gonna play around some more, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. Seeing it for the first time as we got to see it for the first time. Incredible. Hope y'all have a great day. Take care. We'll have more videos in the future.